I've got a fun workout for you guys today. This comes from John Brookfield, like a lot of my workouts. This was on a YouTube video that got popular. I will link to that video here. You can watch that. It's great. All we're going to need today is a couple towels. I've got a smaller size towel. This is just one of those cleaning towels, and a little bit bigger. This is actually an old bath towel that I cut in half, and a bucket of water, something to hold water in. You could do this over the sink, bathtub, anything like that. I'm going to be using a regular 5-gallon bucket here. So love this workout. Love that it's with anything that you're going to have around the house. There's really no excuse. You can do this. You could take a bucket, do this while you're watching TV. If you're like me, I love to take a nice bath at night. I could throw a rag in there with me, a towel in there, and I can do this workout. You can do this at the pool, all that sort of stuff. So we've got the two sides of the towels in here. Got my water. So for the first workout, we're going to take our bigger towel, and we are going to be using both hands here, and we're going to just start wringing that towel till it's good and dry. Give it a couple wrings. Once we feel like it's pretty dry where our hands are, we're going to take that and fold it down. So now we're doubling in size. We're going to grab it again, and we're going to wring again. You can alternate which direction. You can alternate how you're holding it. And it's going to kind of expand which is going to change up our grip. You can really feel this in your forearms and your wrists. It's going to feel really good. Okay, so it's good and dry. I'm going to fold one more time. So now you can see it's big enough I can't even get my hands all the way around it. Keep twisting that. Start to feel that burn. Let's pull that up. And keep going there until that feels good and dry. And you're getting a rotation from both hands, so it doesn't really matter which one's on top. They're both rotating equally, but you can switch it up if you'd like. And I love that this one really gets the fingers in there, gets the wrists, and it gets you working. Okay, so that's what we're going to do with the large towel. Once you're done with that, you can get it wet, repeat, do a few times. I don't know, 10 minutes or so of that. You'd really be feeling the burn. So for our next one, we're going to grab that smaller towel here. And this one's going to work our finger dexterity. We're just going to kind of pull it up, give it a little squeeze, ball it up again, just like the other one. As you pull that in, it's going to get bigger. It's going to change up our grip a little bit. And I love that this one incorporates some finger dexterity as you work that. Really feeling it in the forearms. Oh. As it gets wider, it gets a little tougher there. If you had a big enough bucket, you could obviously do both hands at the same time. If you didn't have a small towel, you could use that bigger towel as well and do two hands on that. And it's always really tricky to get that last little bit in there. And squeeze. Okay, I'm going to go to my other hand. You could keep going on that same hand if you want to give it a nice burnout. What's great about this one is I'm right-handed. Obviously, all of us have a dominant hand. This is going to really work both those hands. Make sure that our finger dexterity is working for both. I love rock climbing. This reminds me of getting to the top of a nice big climb. That similar kind of burned out feeling. That's great. So yeah, those are the workouts. Really fun, really great. No excuse to not train your grip. You can buy all the fun grip tools. I love to buy those. They're great. But you can get an amazing grip workout with just a towel and some water. And yeah, I love that. Check out John's books. I've got links below. Check out the original video. Check out some of my other workouts, my other videos. I'm going to try to provide you with a lot of different workouts with all kinds of tools, so that there's really no excuse not to train grip. You don't have to be a big strong man. Everybody needs to train grip no matter what your goals are in life. Super important. And let me know how this goes. Let me know how this workout goes for you, how you're enjoying it. And I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.